Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Nadine West, which is a monthly clothing subscription. So they do give you a return label and they list everything in your bag and how much it costs. In case you want to keep it, then you know how much you will be charged. So it looks like I got 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. So let's take a look. These look fun. Some nice leggings. Those are cool. Kind of like a bleached look to them. It doesn't look like they have pockets or anything, but they're thick, almost like insulated and super stretchy. That's awesome. And I will put pictures at the end per usual. This shirt I think I've got before. I got in this color, I believe, and in a maroon color, and I wear the maroon one a lot. So it's lace, flower detailing for the sleeve. Sheila Rose is the brand. Yeah, super cute. And this top, it's a wide neck, short sleeves. It is kind of bunched here on the side, but that's pretty too. What brand is that? I haven't gotten Hippie Chick in a while. That's like my favorite brand that they send. Have a necklace, and it looks like some jeggings, and then a dress. Oh gosh, this is terribly tangled. That happens occasionally with these mesh bags. So, I'm really gonna have to work on that one, but I'll insert a picture of that at the end. I'm sure the chain's really long, and then those all twist. And then we have these are little butt sculpting leggings. This is a nice shade, and they're just stressed. Cut down here, cut up there. And some on the other side as well. These are cute. Here we go. Here's Hippie Chick. So this must be the dress. Very pretty shade. And the sleeves are long, but just a tiny little bit is cut out. I like that. It looks a little short though. A lot of the dresses do look short, but they go fine if you put leggings under them. So that's what I got. I'll go ahead and insert the pictures and the prices. And if you guys are interested, I have the links to their website in the description below and a promo code. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.